How much is my share?
We're going to Vegas! Marco, where are we going?
Going to Vegas!
Woo!
How much is my share?
We're going to Vegas! So right here, the video is not so good. I know I was sneaking videos because I wasn't allowed to record and I didn't want to get in trouble, so. So this is a hallway to the other room. So when you first walk in, there's a restroom. Just turn the lights on. This is so pretty. Now, we're gonna go back this way. Beep, beep. This is our restroom right here. That's our meal. Say what's up.
I tried.
It's hella cold in here.
Oh, those are the vents.
So the first night we went to dinner at STK Steakhouse. I didn't really record there, and then after we went to this club, honestly. Then I have a long thing. Alright, let's go. I don't feel like hearing it.
My lash looks like shit. Oh well.
We're getting ready to leave. Laura, that ass though.
She let it big guns.
I think it's on this side because I heard a beep on here. Told you. Open sesame. What number is it? Can you... Laura, why did Marco leave you? Laura's gonna be my girlfriend for the day, okay? You wanna hold my hand, Laura? We're girlfriends for the day because they're gay for each other.
I'm like apparently I'm just third feeding.
Oh, we're girlfriends for the day. We'll add Priscilla. Hold hands, guys. I need you guys to hold hands. Marco, hold hands with Carlos.
I feel weird being the hand on top.
You? I know I can't do it the other way either. My hand has to be on the bottom.
I feel like my hand's going that way.
Like that, right?
Yes. This feels normal.
I told you.
Let me see. I think I'm gonna do watermelon. Hi. Can I do the watermelon one?
Yeah, what size, honey?
This one right here.
That one? You want just watermelon or you want to mix it? You can mix it. It's good with, what do you like, sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Or between sweet. It's good with pina colada or Bellini or eye candy.
I'll do watermelon and eye candy. Damn, Laura! Who's carrying that?
I just want to take it home. It's actually good. Like a pop star. You're gonna have to do it. That's why it has this. That's bomb.
What'd you get? What is it?
Let's do a boomerang. I got him too.
So this little place right here that was in the mall was called Breathe, and supposedly it helps you with anxiety, which I have. and if you're hungover, it'll take it completely away. So I was hungover because we did go out the day before. And honestly, I didn't think it was gonna work, but that shit works. They give you a shot, which you will see me take. It was so disgusting, but that shot gives you so much energy, and then they give you a massage. It felt so good. So also, as you will see, I have an oxygen tube in my nose. It was oxygen mixed with something else. I'm not quite sure what the other thing was. But as you're breathing it in, it feels like a cold air going in, and it just relaxes you. It feels good. That shit vibrates your whole fucking body. Literally, my hand is like that. Feels good. This shit better get rid of all my anxiety.
Thanks for the whole trip.
Oh, Jesus.
That tickle.
That's like a good tickling, like a good tickling, I guess.
And it vibrates.
Your shoulders hurt? Your lower back hurt? Or?
Yeah, like top of my shoulders and the lower back.
Right here?
No, like,
Oh, like right here?
yeah.
You got it. I'll focus over there too. Your lower back. Can I go underneath your shirt?
I'm telling her to crank it up to 20.
Oh yeah, hey, some of the ladies that I've noticed who sat in my bar were like turned all the way up.
Yeah.
They're like not even tripping. I'm like, that's crazy because I had mine to like 9.
I know, it feels good though.
I was already done at 9. Like I was like, yeah, that's high enough. All right, ladies. I'm gonna turn yours on right now too. I just want to show you guys at an angle to where you're about to see me. On the bottom, it's going to be left and right for off and on. The menu screen pops on. Unfortunately, this one is not a touch screen, so we have to change channels by using the mode button. It says M. This is the plus or minus sign to turn up the intensity. You want to make sure what channel you're on. A, so the A is going to be flashy, and I'm going to switch you over to a real light mode. Can I turn it up?
No.
Say no more. She's like, hell no. She only made it to 2 This is a muscle re-education. It's educating our muscles to be at more strength, more endurance,
It's moving my arm by itself.
and more stamina. Because we don't always, recover our body. We don't always take care of our body. So this is your at-home masseuse. This could be your at-home chiropractor. This could actually be your at-home gym. Some people don't have time to go to the gym. Send it all the way up. That's crazy.
I didn't even me and Marcus could handle it.
No? Marco, Laura has it up all the way. She has the thing all the way up.
Try this one. I'm not going to put it up. I promise you. Which one? Why do you have that one? You don't?
You put it.
Do this one. They want to stop. For real, bro.
Wait, are you checking the weight? Oh. I was like, what? You have your tickets?
What's up, bro? First time here, bro? My name's Carlos. My wife, Lucas. There you go.
You know how many times people fall?
0.
Oh.
Alright. Let's make it once a day.
How fast does it go?
30 miles an hour. Oh shit, that's pretty close.
So when we went ziplining, I honestly tried to record. You will also hear me ask the guy that's there if I can take my camera on with me, but he does tell me no. They literally watch you put your stuff in a bag, which is later on connected to your harness. we're getting to the top.
One, two, three. Stop grabbing my ass. Sorry, it's taking them really slow. I don't know why.
I'll not get it.
Why does it feel like we stopped?
Stop. Oh, it stops at the top. Oh, PG. Oh, PG-13. Oh.
It's like taking them really slow. I don't know why.
So on our second night there, we decided to go to a strip club, and that was my first time. Strip club. Honestly, I had a really good time. Like, I'd go back. I snuck little clips. So the next morning, we decided to go eat breakfast at Cafe Americano. Honestly, I was so hungover that I wasn't able to record. So on our last night there, we went on a helicopter ride. We went through Maverick helicopters, and it literally takes you around the whole strip of Vegas, and we did choose to go in the night just because it looks more nicer with the lights.